Hashtag day 30. And when I say this out loud, hashtag day 30, this really means a lot. This is a big word for me. And I'm really happy to say this. And this was all an amazing journey of posting these hashtags. I'll be honest here, I was a little bit scared when I got started with this. So let me explain this whole journey of an entire year of being productive and how you can join me in this entire journey that is also going to start very soon again. I'll be honest here. When I first got started with this journey of posting these hashtag day numbers, I was a bit scared that announcing this big thing on a public platform like YouTube, I was pretty sure that I will not be able to make it. I will be missing out some days where I have to post an apology that I was not able to post yesterday, and I will move onward from there. But to my own very surprise, I didn't miss even a single day. I was posting from day 1 to day 30 every single time. And I was able to do it 12 times in a row. That means from the last 360 days, I didn't took any off. I continuously posted on my Facebook page a reminder that I have finished my goal. You need to start your own goal now. Go ahead and achieve that amazing thing that you really want to achieve. Go ahead and start doing that. Being productive and working every single day doesn't mean that you have to do a rigorous work or a monotonous work every single day. Just spend time on some of the skills that you always wanted to learn. Whether that's a new programming language, a new tech stack, maybe you want to read a book, maybe you want to hit the gym. I just took a stance that I'm going to remind you about your goals, and you just have to follow me on my Facebook page. Every single day, these hashtags are going to remind you that you are missing some goal, and all you have to do is just post the day count so that you know that yes, I have been reminded and I'm on to my work. I took this challenge, and today is the hashtag day 30 of this continuous streak throughout the year. I'm super happy to announce that this was a super productive year for me. There were a lot of people who did join me on the very first of the January, or even we got started in the December actually. So there were a lot of people who just followed me throughout the year. Some joined me in some months, then drop out and then joined me again. So that is all good because comparatively it was a pretty good month, absolutely amazing for me, and a lot of good months for a lot of you. For me personally, it was an amazing year. I was absolutely productive. From reading so many books, releasing so many courses, YouTube channels, a lot of videos goes up here, as well as photography skills from just a few hundred users and viewers of my photos to more than 13 million people and amazing big companies. These big companies having budgets of millions of dollars are now using my photos to advertise their content. This is a big thing for me. Getting so much love from YouTube and posting regular videos either on YouTube, LearnCode Online, and amazing third-party websites as well. Now, this is so amazing, and this all was just possible because I was focused and was working on being productive every single day. I was not going alone in this journey. I took a lot of you along with me that, hey, just join me up in this. I'm not charging anything. Just follow me along. Just follow the direction. Choose your own path, whether that's programming, hitting the gym, reading the book, whatever that is. Just follow the instruction and be more productive. A lot of you did try to ask me in between as well when I was posting so many things on Facebook that, hey, what is this day count that you post every single day? I didn't got much time to make a thorough video of reminding this again, but here is your chance. I'm inviting you again on this journey of being productive. So what you have to do if you want to really be productive and want to just nail down your resolution for the new year in this upcoming 2019. Okay, one quick thing here. A lot of people consider these New Year resolution as stupid. They are not at all stupid. Just because some of them were not able to complete these resolutions and were a failure doesn't mean New Year resolutions are completely stupid. They are a starting point of achieving something great in the upcoming new year. And I have been doing this for a couple of years now. So I think I can walk you through again and you can achieve so much more. So don't listen to the world. Just take New Year resolution in limited amount of numbers and follow me. I will help you to achieve those goals. So if you want that your New Year should be absolutely productive, first and foremost, don't wait for the 1st of January, because that's where a lot of people take New Year resolution and sometimes they eventually fail as well. So don't do that. Instead, just take up your resolution right now. Yep. You can even pause the video and just think about your goals. Now here's a quick and very clear guide about that. Don't make it too much messy. Just pick up 2 or 3 goals at a max and that's it. That's all you have to do. Step number 2, just follow me on my Facebook page. I know some of you don't have Facebook, but I was able to make Facebook productive. I know Facebook is just endless scrollings and sometimes it can be less productive. But if you just follow me on the Facebook, because that's the easiest way for me to convey anything, just follow me up on my Facebook page. Every single day, you're gonna see a day count. Hashtag day 1, hashtag day 2, and so on. For every single month, we just start from day 1 and we go to day 30. All you have to do is just keep remembering about your goals. Once you remember about your goal, then simply go ahead and post in the comment section day 1, day 2, whatever the day is. Now, one quick word of caution here. A lot of people try to just drive into their own day count and post the comments into the, like, I'm posting day 1, they are posting day 5. Don't do that. I've seen and realized that a lot of people who just miscommunicate with the day counts, they eventually fail in following me. So don't do that. In case you are missing up any single day, just note it down somewhere in your personal diary so that you can analyze by the end of month how many days you were productive and how many days you have missed out. I know this sounds a little bit like a joke, that just by posting day counts on Facebook page, how can I be more productive? But trust me, in the last year, we all have tested it out, me personally and a lot of people who have been following me on this Facebook journey. It works like a charm. And if you want to just be more productive, there is nothing to lose here. Just follow me up on my Facebook page and I'll post a day count for you. This day count is going to be a reminder that you have some tasks to do and you are ready to take it down. So just follow me up on my Facebook page and comment down in the section about the day count. That's it. Since you're watching this video up till here, I would also like to give you a quick tip. Now, I have seen some people making these New Year resolution like a long list, 8 or 10 resolutions. They usually just fail out. So keep your list short, precise, and very, very concise. Don't let it go more than 4. 4 is like way beyond. Just try to keep it on 3. Now, I'm keeping it very, very short this year. My whole goal for this new year is to make more videos, visit more universities, and work out at least for 4 times in a week. I know this may sound like every other guy who takes resolutions like New Year, but this is not. I've been doing this through the last entire 1 year, continuously for 360 days. So make sure you also take resolutions like this. Now, one side resolution, the miniature one that I've also taken up, is post more replies in the YouTube comments. I read all of them, but now I have decided that I'm going to post some replies, or at least a heart comment, or a heart just like a like one in the YouTube, on every comment. I know it's a big deal. I will not be able to finish it up, but I'll try to just get as high as I can. Now, similarly, just pick up your resolutions and just go ahead, get started with me. You got entire day, today's day, to make your resolution. From day 1, which is tomorrow, I'm going to ask you to post down your resolution for this year. Now, if you don't want to tell it, that's okay, that's fine. But just post day 1 in tomorrow's comment of my Facebook status. And that's all you have to do. Let's make this 2019 again a very, very productive year. Let's show everybody that yes, we are a productive person and we can be great achievers. Don't get into the side of losers. We are winners. We're going to win that and we're going to crush that this year. I'm going to help you in that. So just follow me along on my Facebook page and together, let's beat down all these resolutions and have an extremely productive 2019. One more side note, don't listen to those losers who just say there's nothing like New Year resolution. Just listen to me. Make your resolution. Make something which is worth taking a resolution. Whether that's learning programming, whether that's hitting the gym, just take the resolution. Follow me. And we're going to show by the end of 2019 all those losers that what we can achieve. Just follow it along, and together we're going to show those losers that what we can be. We can be extremely productive. Let's get started in 2019.